A mother should choose St. Mary's to have their baby. We have a team of people that are well-trained and that really care about patients and about making the patient experience comfortable and memorable and making sure that patients get as much care as they need while they're here.
When considering who to come and see for either female well care or obstetric care, a woman should really consider us. One, we've been really intentional about building a very experienced collaborative team, and we also have the resources to provide what they need regardless of what's going on. For me as a delivering provider, sometimes unexpected things happen, and it's really comforting to be able to know that I have my colleagues 100 feet down the hall that can come and assist me if I need them.
We are a level 3 NICU, so we can handle lots of different babies that are born with different issues. We have just a really great team, people that care for their patients.
We in the NICU have services for babies that need extra attention and extra care. If you are in a hospital that does not have a NICU, your baby will be transferred to us and you may not come with your baby. So having your baby here at St. Mary's, you will be close to your baby at all times.
We also have a first-rate hospital that has everything and all the resources that a patient may need in any sort of emergency situation, whether it's gynecologic or obstetric, and it provides them with both safe care and good care.
I've been doing this for around 37 years just because I love what I do. I love my patients, I love my moms. It's just a really great place to work, but it's also just even a better place to come and receive care.
To be able to care for moms as they are developing their new family, to care for the whole family unit together, watch mom and dad become new parents. I really love being able to be involved in that. And every time somebody chooses me as their OB physician, I just feel so privileged and honored to be able to do that for them.